Thank you for registering for the Smart Manufacturing Summit. We are thrilled to host you virtually. Please take a few minutes to watch this video, as this will help you to access the platform better on the day of the event. I will be addressing most commonly asked questions. How do I log in? You will receive an email to your registered email address with a link and a passcode. You need to click on the link and you will find this page. The moment you find this page, you need to enter the passcode in the login option and click on login. Then it will direct you to the lobby of the event. Now, for better experience, you can use your laptop or your desktop, maybe a tab. Can I create a business card? Yes, you can. Once you log in, you can click on the down arrow next to the smiley on the right hand top corner and click on edit profile. So once you click on edit profile, you can change your name, your first name, your last name, your job title, your company name, and your desired mobile number that you would like to display, and you can enter your email address. And then click on Save Changes. Before you could click on Save Change, you can click on View Business Card. This is how your business card would look like. Can my colleague log in with the same ID? He can use the same link, but in order for him to log in, he needs to have his own passcode. So he can contact our representatives. They would help him to get his own passcode. How do I exchange business cards? It's pretty simple. There are two ways of looking at it. One, you can click on Quick Network Zone at the lower bottom, right hand corner. You will find all the registered delegates plus also the sponsors. Now you can click on the icon on the right hand side. The moment you click on it, you would see the person's details and you just have to click on Exchange Business Card. This is as simple as that. You will see a message that says business card successfully exchanged. How can I network with fellow participants? There are two ways of looking at it. Again, one, you can click on the Quick Network Zone. You can exchange business card. Second, you can click on the name of the person and you can send a message. Also, you can go to the exhibition booth or exhibition hall. You can click on the exhibition hall on top, or you can click on the exhibition area. So let's go to the expo hall. So you can click on any of your desired booth. For instance, I'll click on Siemens and then I click on Quick Chat. So I have three people. So I can choose who I want to have a network with and I can send them a message. If you want to have video chat with the representatives in the booth, click on the video and you can choose who you'd like to have a video chat with. Click on the icon, the video icon, and you can talk to them. How do I visit a booth? Pretty simple. You can click on the exhibition, or you can click on the expo hall, or you can click on the icons or logos of the companies. For instance, I click on Infor. It takes you directly to their booth. Or you can click on Siemens. It takes you directly to their booth. How to download information from the booth? Once you visit their booth, either by clicking on the exhibition and choosing which booth you would like to visit, or you can directly click on the logo. Let's say Siemens. Now in Siemens, you have click to see video and click to download assets. So to download any kind of an asset, you can click to download assets, and you can download white paper, additive manufacturing. These are the brochures in a PDF format. You could try the same thing with Infor. Click on Infor and you can click on the brochure on the left hand side, and you can go ahead and download any of these options. You could also watch a video by clicking on it, and you could also network with the executives from Infor. How do I ask questions during presentations? To go to the presentations, you can click on Auditorium, or you can click on Conference Hall. To enter, you need to click on Enter to Auditorium. Since you're an attendee, you need to click on Join as Audience. Here, you will have options to ask questions. You can chat, or you have a Q&A option. You can type in the message. This question answer sessions would be for the people who will be presenting at the event. How do I know if someone is trying to interact with me? One, you can interact with the executives in the booth. Second, you can see if anyone's sending you a message. You can see under a notification under the Quick Network Zone. I'll show you an example. The moment you receive a message under Quick Network Zone, you'll find a red background with a yellow star. That shows that there is a message for you. You can click on it and you can figure out who sent you the message. The first person who appears on top is the person who sent a message. It says, "Hello, I need to know how to network with the representatives. Can I have face-to-face interaction with someone in the booth?" Yes, you can. Choose the desired booth, go to the expo hall, select the booth that you would like to interact with, for example, Siemens, and click on video chat. Select a desired person who you would like to have a meeting with. So let's choose Neha in this scenario. You will see a screen with a video on during a live session, and you can interact with the person. What is notifications? On the right hand lower corner, you have a speaker icon. This is where you'll find notifications about the event. You need to keep a watch throughout the day. You'll see a pop-up, and that would give you information about current happening scenarios. Maybe someone's trying to get in touch with you, or if you're looking at certain solutions, sponsor companies will also be adding messages here. So accordingly, you can go and take a call if you would like to interact with so-and-so people or so-and-so person. So that is a notification. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the platform.